So today, here at the park, it's been pretty decent. It's been all right. Now on the way here and getting here, we gotta run in with those scumbags and rude, disrespectful people that are just scumbags. Because again, if you choose to be just nasty to people, period, just again, especially against strangers. I'm talking about strangers. I'm not even talking about, to people like, that you see every day, or that or even have to be around it at any particular time. Just complete strangers. Just if your first notion to a complete stranger, when they're being kind and giving you, common courtesy and common decency and common respect, the three commons, if they're being that way, and then again it's a total stranger, and you're just a scumbag, you're just a low form of life, Again, and I'll repeat it, especially if somebody watches my video and actually listens to what I say, and your parents, or you don't have parents or whatever, and they never taught you common decency, common respect, and common courtesy to others. I'll tell you all about it. I'm old, and there's no point in treating people that way for any reason. I mean, again, unless they're just scumbags, but then you don't treat them with that way, but you don't treat them anyway. You avoid them, stay away from them. Even if it's a piece of shit, you know what I'm saying? You're caught telling them, they're a piece of shit, and be about your business. If they don't like it, well, they shouldn't be a piece of shit. You know what I'm saying? They wouldn't hear it. And then if they want to be violent because they're even more scum of the earth, well, you know what I'm saying? It's happened. So, and again, I'm totally prepared for it. So, if you gotta be even more of a piece of shit because you're a piece of shit, then I'm ready for it. And again, the reason I'm ready for it is because it happens, and it's happened. Again, just to show more scums of the earth, And again, it's a choice. They're choosing to be that way. You know what I'm saying? Again, it's not just a reaction, or it is a reaction, but it's a reaction because you're an evil person. You know what I'm saying? You poor devil. Don't be that way. Be nice. Be considerate to others. Be respectful. It's just so weird. Again, how people choose to be the way. Give me that ball, babe. Girl. It's almost time to go. We're out of water. And there's too many homeless people right there and right there to just go back and forth. Too much drama that I don't deal with and won't deal with. Again, through my videos, I talk about a lot of drama and stuff, and because it's experiences that I've been through and dealt with, and especially more recent, more common. Come here, give me that one. I tell it like it is. I express it, and I'm honest. I don't lie about nothing. I got nothing to hide. I'm not hiding. No, don't do drugs. Don't do drugs. Be nice to people. Huh, babes? Huh, babes? You're supposed to get that to me. Okay, those people are gone. Let's go that way. Girls. Dink. Come here, you want to get the rest of this? Come here, get the water, hurry. Let's get some water, let's go. It's gone pretty much. You good? You see a squirrel? Yeah. Did you see a squirrel? Mary Jane. Where is it? She said to the house. Did you see a squirrel? Go find it. Here we go. It's what? It's almost noon. It's almost 12. Yeah, there's not much really going on, but there's still a lot of homeless here, so come and sit down. Dink. Wait a minute. Girl. Good girl, let's go. Oh yeah, we're gonna go that way too though. Well, we can go this way. All those people in the soccer field, and they have to sneak through the gate to get in. And that's another wild thing. Good morning. Have a good day. Wow, there's a now this blows my mind. Let's just see. Let's just make sure before I start running off at the mouth. But it's obvious, but let's speculate, let's just look, but not come to a conclusion until, time to come to the conclusion. Let's just see. Yep, there's the lock. See, that chain was busted. See, they busted the chain, and so they put a new one and locked it up, and so it's locked up. So they have no access to here except for the hole in the fence that was cut. Dig. That was cut on the other side. So there's a whole soccer kind of like team or some practice with adults in there that have went in there illegally, let's say. And again, and the adults have taken, and that's wild. That blows my mind. That blows my mind. But whatever. That just, it really blows my mind. What a society is changing to. It's so, wow. It's. I'm not gonna make it 20 more years, but I pray I make it at least 10. But I'm not gonna make 20. I know that. But so 20 more years if people just keep acting and doing these things. Um, wow, wow. Ooh, it's gonna be bad. It's gonna be to where, again, people. Say. People that are growing up like with it and making it happen, they're going to adapt themselves to it or get it more adapted to it than others, and of course the older people especially. But wow, it's going to be disastrous. And even like the younger generations and stuff that are kind of helping and just creating it, the disaster. It's gonna be a change, and they're not gonna like it either. They're gonna be like, "What is this? It's not like this, you know how it used to be, you know." And yeah, it's gonna be disastrous for everybody. AJ. But yeah, it's gonna, and you can just tell it's just gonna, yeah. Not good. Go. You want peace? You want peace? Hey, baby, you're beautiful. Go. Have a good day. All right, Rude. Hey, baby. Caca. Go. Have a good day. Hey, baby.